Hi YouTube family, welcome into the video for today. We're going to be doing a 4-step skincare routine that should only take you between 3 and 5 minutes. This video was inspired by one of you viewers, and she told me that she just didn't have the time to put into her AM skincare routine because she was a busy mom, or she's busy getting out to her work, or any of those things that we have that we're doing in the morning. So she asked me what I would suggest would be the most important things, and what are those things that I reach for in order to give myself a really good, skincare routine, and then get out the door quick enough to wherever I need to be that morning. So on those mornings that you just don't have any time at all, you got your skincare covered. So yeah, let's get into the video so that you can see the quick skincare routine. So the first thing I want to talk about is a really good cleanser. You want to have a cleanser. Mine is the Philosophy Purity Made Simple. There are lots of good cleansers out there. CeraVe has a great one. And then there is, let's see, I think derma-e has a fantastic cleanser too. Really anything that's going to take your excess oils off, your excess makeup off. Okay, I would also normally do in the morning some sort of an exfoliation, but instead of an exfoliation, I am choosing to just use a wash rag. If you've ever looked on Paula's Choice, that is a website that believes in chemical exfoliation, which many people do believe in. I like both chemical and the physical exfoliation. So the physical exfoliation that Paula's Choice only recommends is a wash rag. So you guys in the morning, don't get too aggressive with your skin, but you have stuff on your skin, so go ahead and take that off in the morning, and then any residual eye makeup you might have, and just make sure that your skin is really thoroughly cleaned. The second step would be using some sort of a toner or a toning lotion. So I'm going to look at the name so I don't mess this up, but this is the one I choose to use. It's Suhara Urea Moisturizing Lotion, and I just put a little bit in my hand, and then I put it all over my face with my hands. Everywhere, on top of the eyes, under the eyes, all the way back to the ears, all the way down the neck, and then down into the décolleté, and all the way up my hands. This is an extremely moisturizing lotion. I love this stuff, and it sinks in so fast. Now, I did have one subscriber tell me urea lotion is made from urine. It is a byproduct of urine. However, this is not made from urine. This is actually manufactured in a lab where they actually just mimic what the actual urea lotion is. So this is urea lotion in its chemical compounds, but it's definitely not urine, just so everybody knows that. Okay, the next step I would consider very, very important to me is using vitamin C in the morning. This one is from Go Pure, and it's their vitamin C serum. It says ferulic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. And I'm not necessarily really hooked on this one. As a matter of fact, it's not one that I would say, rush out and buy. Derma-e has a really good vitamin C and different things like that. But I just happened to be sent that one, so I am using it up. And again, everywhere that you would normally put your skincare, put your vitamin C on. Vitamin C is a brightener. It is an antioxidant. It is just really good to help keep your skin from fighting the free radicals that are in the air. So that's really important. Okay, the last step that I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and a really strong antioxidant. So I'm going to take some of this cream, which is the Derma-e Hydrating Day Cream. I use an extra hydrator because my skin gets really dry. If you don't, you might just want to choose one that doesn't. There's my sunscreen. This one is from Neutrogena. It's called Ultra Sheer and Dry Touch. It does not leave any sort of an oily residue behind at all. That is a fantastic sunscreen. Now this is ferulic acid from The Ordinary, and I put about 3 drops of those. It is based in a little bit of an oil base, so that does give you a little bit more hydration in the morning. And once again, I'm completely covering my face, putting it everywhere that I used all the other things on. So now that would be it. But if you do have the time, for myself, I would suggest that you use some sort of an eye cream to plump this area up and really work in some great extra hydration there. I actually do my hydration under my eyes like 2 or 3 times before I actually even get to my makeup, but I realize that that might not be something that you guys can do. I would give maybe 15 to 20 seconds between everything in order for your skincare to sink in, and that's it. You are ready to go. Put your makeup on now. What I would probably do at this point, if it were me, in order for everything to sink in before I got to my makeup, is I would probably go brush my teeth, maybe do some of my hair, that kind of thing, so that you get a good chance for all of that moisture that you just put on your skin to sink in really well. That's it for today's video. I wanted it to be very, very quick so that you guys could see how easy it is to do a very fast skincare routine. And at the same time, you're protecting your skin with your sunscreen, you're protecting it with the antioxidants, and you're giving it an anti-aging boost with the vitamin C and the urea lotion. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy seeing this very easy out the door skincare routine. Let me know in the comment section below what some of you guys' favorite affordable skincare is, or your skincare that you use every single day that you absolutely have to have on your skin in the morning. My absolute cannot live without morning and night skincare product is the urea lotion that I talked about. I'm telling you guys, this has been a game changer in my skincare. Every single time I put it on, I notice how much plumper, how much softer my skin is. It is an absolute godsend. It is so good for my aging skin and giving my aging dry skin that plump up effect that we all love. Thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me. I love you all very much. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in my very next video. Bye-bye.